Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the binding of Isaac Rebirth audio not working. So here's what you're going to do. You want to right click on the game first, go to properties, go to installed files, and then click verify integrity of the game files. Now, after you've done that, and this audio still doesn't work, you want to make sure that you have the right audio output out. So you want to go to search, type in control panel. In control panel, if it's set to categories, you can switch it to large icons and then find here sound. Once you open it, here you'll have 2 or more depending on your setup. You want to make sure that the default audio is the speakers. If it's not, you can right click on it and click properties and then go to levels and make sure that it's not set to 0. Also, you want to go to advanced and make sure that you have 4800 hertz. And you want to disable these two, so allow an application. You want to disable it in exclusive mode. You want to disable it. Also go to spatial sound. And we're going to make sure that you have the spatial sound off. And then simply click apply. I use headphones now, so it's the same. You want to right click on it, go to levels, make sure that it's not muted. The balance you keep the same, you can turn it up. Now go to advanced, at least 48,000 hertz or 44,000 hertz. Also, you want to disable these two, and then you can test the audio. And you want to disable spatial sound and then simply click apply. And after you've done all of that, you want to exit out of this. You want to go here to the network and sound, and you want to click here on the sound output and make sure that you're using the right sound output right now. After you've done all of that, you want to go here, type in run. And run, type in msinfo32 and scroll till you find baseboard products, in my case B450. And you want to copy this, open a new Chrome tab, type in B450 in my case, whatever it says for you. Now click the first link, accept this. Now go to support on your motherboard manufacturer website, go to support, click drivers. Now find here onboard audio drivers, and you want to download the latest and greatest, and simply you want to install them and then restart your PC. And after you restart your PC, after you install it, the audio should work properly. And the last resort, if nothing else works, is you want to open your NVIDIA or AMD app, go to drivers and simply download the latest and greatest drivers. And after you install them, you can also try going to search, type in device manager. Now in here, you want to go to sound, video, and game controllers. And you want to try disabling the NVIDIA audio. So NVIDIA high definition audio, you want to disable it and then see if that helps your issue. That's it for this video. That's how you fix the binding of Isaac Rebirth sound not working. Hopefully this video helped you guys. Like, subscribe, comment down below. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.